Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. My name still remains Chemist Emeka, the project coordinator, the CEO of User Cosmetic and Other Household. In this wonderful tutorial, I'm going to teach you on how to make soda soap that is locally in Nigeria by the Yoruba people called kongi soap. Production is popular in the Yoruba side of Nigeria, known as kongi soap. So I'm going to teach you on how to produce it. Soda soap production, kongi soap production. Chemicals, you just need 2 chemicals, palm oil and caustic soda. Measurement 1 liter. Use 1 liter of palm kernel oil. Use 1 liter of soda, 1 liter of caustic soda, 1 liter of caustic soda, 1 liter of palm kernel oil. You can even use palm oil, bleached palm oil. You can use bleached palm oil for this production. It's very essential. If you use bleached palm oil, it's very good for this type of soap. You can use bleached palm oil. So the 2 things that you need is oil and caustic soda. What's happening in this type of soap is that it's different from other type of soap. It's different from other bar soap, other type of bar soap, because in other type of bar soap, once you are using 1 liters of oil, you'll be using half liters of the lime, which is the caustic soda. But in this case, once you use 1 liter of oil, you are using 1 liter of caustic soda. Both of them must be equal. Both measurements, the oil to the caustic soda or to the lime, must be equal. If you are using 2 liters of oil, you will be using 2 liters of caustic soda or the lime solution. If you are using 3 liters of oil, you will be using 3 liters of caustic soda. If you are using 4 liters of oil, you are using 4 liters of caustic soda. Both of them, their proportion must be equal. So now I'm using 1 liter, which is half liter, 50 cl, which is 500 ml, which is equal to 1000 ml, which is 1 liter. I'll be using it. So the first thing is to pour it into the production bowl. Make sure that there is no water into your production bowl. Pour the oil into the production bowl. We are going to pour the 1 liters of oil into the production bowl. So after pouring the 1 liters of oil into the production bowl, the next thing, this is my 1 kg of the lime, the caustic soda solution. That is the it's 1 liter, it's not 1 kg, it's 1 liter. This is my 1 liter of caustic soda solution. So I'm going to add it into the production bowl. That is my 1 liter. I'm going to add it into the production bowl. As I'm adding, I'm stirring. As you are adding, you are stirring. As you are adding, you are stirring. You stir very well. Stir very well. Please, if you don't know how to dissolve your caustic soda or your lime solution, go back to our previous video where we explain how you can dissolve 1 kg lime. Go back to our 1 kg lime solution in 3 liters of water. Go back to our previous video to learn how to dissolve it. So this is our soda soap. You make sure you stir well to reach the trace point. You stir well to reach the trace point until it's smooth. That is when you know it has reached the trace point. Stir up to 15 minutes. Stir up to 15 minutes. You keep stirring even after 15 minutes until it's well mixed. So that is it. Keep stirring up to 15 minutes. Keep stirring up to 15 minutes. So after stirring about 15 minutes, you can discover that the solution is now well blended. If you use, how you know that it has reached the trace point? If you use the your turning stick to draw a circle on it is showing. Can you see that the circle that I draw on it is showing? Can you see the circle is showing? It has reached the trace point. So the next thing is to pour it into the cup, but you have to place nylon into your cup first before pouring it. So now, what in this production you can use bleach lead oil. Mostly it is bleach lead oil that is mostly used in this type of production. Soda soap, kongi soap, that is they use lead oil, bleached one. How can you bleach your lead oil? Is by heating it until all the color disappear. Heating it on fire, you put it on your stove or your gas cooker or even firewood. You put your oil into the pot, your lead oil into the pot, and heat it until all the color disappear. You'll be dipping white pepper on it until you are not noticing the lead color again. So bleached lead oil is normally used in this production. Because I don't have bleached lead oil, you can equally use palm kernel oil, but you make sure that the oil to the liter of the caustic soda and the oil must be equal. The liter of the caustic soda and the oil must be equal. So the next thing now is to mold my soap because it has reached the trace point. The next thing is to mold it, to pour it into the cup, different cup, to pour it into the different cups. So that is it. So now, how will you do it? Is by taking your nylon, you take your nylon, you put it this way to the cup. As you are pouring the thing, it will be going down. So you place another nylon to the cup, place another nylon to the cup, place another nylon to the cup. Then you start pouring. You pour it. You pour it. You pour it. You pour it. Pour it. So after pouring it into the cup, you shake it. Make sure that everything, you shake it to make sure that everything enters into the pot. You shake it. You shake it. You shake it so that the soap will balance very well. So that is all on this soda soap production. So you allow this to stand for 24 hours so that it will solidify, saponify completely. Once it saponify completely, you remove it from the cup with the nylon. So that is it. You remove it from the cup with the nylon. So that is all on this this soda soap production. So that is all. See you in another tutorial video. Bye.